Okay guys, in this video tutorial we will learn about a drone simulation inside the MATLAB. Although drone simulation is a little bit complex, but we will try our best to simplify it. For it, first of all, in command window we need to write guide to open graphical user interface integrated environment. So we will create new GUI and we will press OK. Now GUI is in front of us. Now we will take one static text box to give our heading. We will change its background color to black and foreground color to this yellow, sorry, blue. Then our font size is 14, and now we will select our font weight as bold. Also give our heading in the string that drone quadcopter simulation in matlab. And now our heading is there. Also double click on the window and we will select the color of our window as black. Now we will take one axis and put here like this, and we will also take our push button here. Now we will right click on the push button, we will go to view callbacks and to the callback drone underscore sim final. Now we are in the callback of push button 1. Now okay, now we will we will do one thing, that we will copy this command Control C and we will paste it here. What this command actually do? Set means in order to write or in order to direct. Handles.axis1 means that whatsoever our command position will do, it will do with axis 1. That position of axis 1 will be changed. And this one 40 and 40 is size, like height into width, and 176 is x location, that is x point of the location, and 20 is the y point of the location. So we will also write show, that is to show the image of drone, but where it is we have to, yes, we got our image. We will go to properties, we will go to have thumbnails, Control C and drone underscore pick dot. So first paste its links, then go and see its name, that is drone underscore pick dot png. Dot png. Okay, now we will, yes, we will, when we will press our push button, our drone is here. So we need to lower our x-axis first of all, just like right here 10, and either we will see that either it is coming down. Yes, it is coming down. When it will be -10, because it is for to reduce the y-axis. Now at -10 it is here, and at -20 it is here. Oh sorry, it's gone beyond our. So -18 is the original, and best, no, not -18 but -15, -12 enough. Okay, now this is our drone starting point. Now first of all we will try to move it. For it we will start a for loop that is from 1 colon 1 to 10 for an n. So we will copy it and we will paste it here. Now we will multiply it with what's called as the C. Why it is so? Because we want to move it up, and if we start from 0, what will happen, like or from 0 point, or we will start it with 1. So okay, then we will write pause of 1 means a delay of 1 second, and okay, and also we will see that either it will work or not. Yeah, it is moving. Now you can see that it is moving vertically upward. Yeah, it is moving vertically upward, and if we change it to 0.1, and here's 2.1, you will see that the motion will be smooth enough, like now you can see that it is moving upward. Okay, so this is our first and basic part of the drone simulator. So hopefully you got the concept. Now the PID control and the rest of the things we will do in the second part, and then third and fourth. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.